When you handle a project, you take care of multiple departments, endless tasks and deadlines, and a variety of people. To handle the tasks in order, it is better to have a central physical place where everyone in the team can reach for updates and queries. This is the Project Management Office or the PMO. Hi, I'm Ishmeet, and I'll take you through the roles and responsibilities of the PMO today in this video. PMO or the Project Management Office is basically an organizational unit that will look into the activities of a project continuously. In the initial state, that is during the establishment of the office, it is quite difficult to think about the roles and responsibilities as the functions of the PMO can be very large in number. It is even more difficult to list out the roles and responsibilities of the PMO in a virtual mode. But let me make the task easier for you and list some duties one by one. The first is monitoring and controlling of the project execution performance. This is the most important function of the PMO. The main reason behind establishing a PMO is the speed, quality, and reliability of the project execution. The PMO will give a better result by delivering the project on time, within scope, and within the given budget. It also deals with the changes that the stakeholders ask to make in the project. They check whether the primary and secondary stakeholders are satisfied with the project or not. To ensure this, there will be a regular check on the progress of the project, continuous fixing of the issues that occur, and implementation of the changes that are requested at each point of the project cycle. This will result in smooth delivery of the project and hence the success of the project. PMO also offers training to those who do not have much skill to work on technical tasks. The second function of the PMO is the development of methodologies for project management. PMO defines and implements the practices and methodologies to standardize the activities of the project management in the organization specifically. The PMO will set some guidelines that need to be followed that will be mentioning how a project should be managed during the life cycle of the entire project. The improvement in the performance of the project can be done with the help of best practices, standard metrics, and repeatable processes. The PMO will implement these practices whenever and wherever required in the organization and make these practices formally framed into a project charters that will be available to the members of the organization who are involved in the making of the project. The project charter reflects the changes in the business area, the market conditions, and organizational strategies. If you need more help with project charters, check out our video on project charters in the Pixel Labs YouTube channel. The third function is the implementation of professional PPM tools. At the Project Management Office, the organization first selects, then procures, and then at last implements the project software to speed up the pace of the project and facilitate the project portfolio management activities. The PPM software will break the project into smaller phases and tasks that will improve the overall management of the project. With the help of PPM expertise, the PMO will be able to choose the right tools for the organization, assess the requirements for configuration, carrying through the implementation, and then championing user adoption. These softwares and tools are also beneficial for the individuals who are less skilled in the field. The next we have is management of program and portfolio. A PMO is extremely helpful when it comes to multiple project management. The projects in an organization are interdependent as the resources and equipments are being shared over there. With the view of cross department in projects, the PMO makes it possible to anticipate and manage the dependencies properly within time in order to make a project a successful one. Managing the programs and portfolios involves making the investment decisions. It basically deals with the fact that all the amount available for the project are being utilized properly. The next is strategic project management. The main function of a PMO is managing the realization of business benefits. The PMO will score and rank the project ideas based on pre-established criteria. It will check the ideas of individuals, whether or not they are aligning with the objectives of the organization. The PMO will also implement processes and governance systems in order to facilitate standardized project selection and prioritization. Optimization of resource allocation. PMO helps to manage the resources effectively by improving the allocation and assignment of the resources available across all subjects and all departments in the project. The next role is collaboration conducive work environments. PMO will improve the work environment and make it an interactive place to work at. The environment not only includes meetings and serious discussions, but also some informal events that take place. Say, someone's birthday, or a cup of coffee with a colleague. This makes the surrounding very comfortable to work with and promotes interpersonal relationships, improving them among the team members. Information and training for institutional improvement. PMO provides information to the members of the organization about the best practices in the industry, emerging methodologies, and management techniques. It keeps an updated track about innovations and new developments that are entering the field of project management and checks for the ones that can be utilized in the specific organization suiting their goals and competencies. PMO plays an important role in institutional learning and memory. I hope that this video helped you understand the roles and responsibilities of Project Management Office better. If you can think of any other roles and responsibilities that we did not count in this video, please let us know in the comments below. For more such videos on project management, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel Pixel Apps and our book on project management called Love, Empathy and Project Management, the link to which I will leave in the description below.